Haha. Haha. I muted them. Oh my god. Look, wait, put your hand up. Hand comparison. The sky. Oh my god. Alright. Stop. Stop. Alright. Yo, hide and seek. Whoever wins gets 1,000,000 shiny rocks. I mean, sorry, 100K. 100K. Like right now. Hide and seek. 100K. Yeah, for real. I swear to God. Right now. 40 seconds. I'll count to 40. I'll count to 40 over here. No cheating means disqualification. No shrinking. No flying.
How would you know? How would you know?
I don't know.
Real hard.
I don't know.
That's a lot of money.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Any map. 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on. Let me put the. All right. People who donated, I'll say thank you after. I'll read all your names. I just wanted to turn it off for like, I don't know, cause it doesn't so it doesn't get in the way or whatever. Cause it's gonna be like loud. Cause I have to talk to speak, touch. I don't know what it's called. Text to speech. That's the name. All right. Anybody? Was anyone counting? Hello? 31, 32. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 21, 30, 41. Go. I'm laggier than buns. Ooh. I feel like wait. Let me hold on. Let me do one more thing. Hold on. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go search for them. All right. All right. It's time for searching a lot.
Maxie says congrats, Brody.
Oh, thank you. Shout out to Maxie. Forgot.
I'm actually in the stump right now.
I knew Elliot hid in here once. Okay, hold on. I need to turn off the music.
Where are you? I'm on the stump. Oh my gosh.
Someone's freaking lying. You're getting reported.
I'm on the stump. I'm not lying. I'm on the stump. It might not be that stump, but I'm on the stump. I'm on the stump. Elliot, is that you?
Is that my favorite Minecraft YouTuber?
Is there anybody over here? This is a goated spot. Really? Nobody?
You said any map, right?
Oh gosh, I think.
Oh yeah, all the maps.
Okay, because I went to a custom one, so yeah.
Cash, is that you, Cash?
Nico, what?
Hey, can you spare me some cash?
He's on turbo.
Don't tell anyone, but you've been tagged.
No!
All right, one down, 1,000,000 to go or something. I don't know. Marco,
Follow.
are you actually in a different map, BMT?
Yeah, you said any map, so I went to a custom.
Well, I'm about to leak your map, cause I have it downloaded.
Oh, shoot.
No, I don't. Dang, lucky. All right, I'll give you time to get out. I'm going. I'm in city right now. You can leave and go to any other map that isn't city, I guess, so I don't find you or something. Go ahead. Hello?
Hi.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, Cracker Leo.
Hi.
Did I hear some?
Hi.
Oh, you're here. Oh my god. I'm lagging like crazy though.
Hi.
Hey.
I didn't hear that.
Alright. Listen up. Chat. This isn't cheating. But I have a mod menu. I'm not gonna use it though.
Follow.